Okay, so first I want to say hello. Hello, Juan. I know you were interested in a website, and I wanted to show you what you need to build the right website and get yourself exposed on Google so that you can have traffic and customers and create sales. So I just want to go over a few things so you understand. First, every time you type in the Google search bar right here, these are keywords that you're entering, and Google looks for these keywords from other websites that best fit this search. Search engine optimization is what they call this, SEO. And Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and categorizes those websites based on their content. And that is how you establish rank. Now, three key factors that you need are content, backlinks, and citations in your website. So to understand this a little bit more, I'll explain some more. Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords that are needed. Now here we have ads. We understand that. This we have the map section, or the map pack is what they call this. To get ranked here and for you to be seen here, you need to have a Google Business profile that shows the area of coverage that you want to cover from where your business is all the way out, the towns, county. And then you want to have citations linked to your business profile, and that's what helps you rank in this map. Citations are name, address, and phone number that reflect your business profile. And those come from Yellow Pages or Angie or Better Business Bureau. And the more of those you have connected to your business profile with the area that you cover, the more likely you are to build strength and get ranked in this map area. A lot of people get a lot of exposure from this map. It creates a lot of local traffic based on what you cover, and that creates leads, and those become sales. Underneath the map, it's important to understand that the ones here on the first page of Google have ranked here in their website through content and backlinks and keywords, search engine. They have the right search words and the right content built into their website. So for an example, number 2 right here, Hicks Landscaping, I wanted to show you how he is here. So I have his website here, and then I have this tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me behind the scenes how strong his website is and why he's there. Now, backlinks, I said, are important. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement to you from another website. Google uses that to build strength. It builds popularity. It's important to have backlinks from other landscaping companies referring back to you. He has 70 domains connected to him from these backlinks. And what's really important is the content and the keywords. He has 577 keywords built into his website, and it's giving him 592 views a month from people that are searching, to give you an idea of keywords. So you want to landscape, you want to understand that this number is how many times a month. This is the volume, how many times a month this particular keyword or phrase is typed in. So for example, Raleigh Landscaping gets typed into the Google search. Raleigh Landscaping gets typed into the Google search 450 times a month. Let's see, Landscaping Raleigh, North Carolina, 500 times a month. Landscaping Raleigh, 450. Landscapers, Raleigh, 250. Raleigh Landscaping Company, 150. So when you add all of this up, that is the total number of people or exposure that you would get to your website from what people are looking for. So when you have the right content and the right keyword, Google will find that, it'll recognize you, and it will move you to the first page. This is how you create a lot of business. This is why people are on the first page, because they have the right content and the right SEO built into their website to get them the maximum amount of exposure that they need to be seen. It's important to understand that so that when you bring all of this together and you have your Google business profile, the area you cover, the citations, you'll rank in the map, plus you have the right content and you have the right keywords that people are looking for, you will generate a lot of exposure. You will bring a lot of value to your business. You will increase sales. I'm hoping that that helps you understand, and I'd be more than willing to work with you to do anything that you needed. Let's talk. Just reach out to me. We can keep in contact. I appreciate your time. Hopefully, you'll understand better how important it is to have a website that is built the right way. Without the right content and without the right keyword, you won't necessarily get exposure and people won't see you. So, if you want to be seen, it's important to have a well built website. Thank you for your time.